Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting Dia de Muertos. This is part of an exclusive series that I have available for my Patreon members, which I like to refer to as Paintings for Patreons. So you guys get to watch the fast sped-up version of the video, and I have available for all of my Patreon members the full-length version of the tutorial. So if you're interested in watching the full-length version of this and many other exclusive tutorials that I have available for them, and or learning more about the Patreon membership program where there's a bunch of other painting perks that you get to enjoy, that I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy this video. And that's going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a really cool lady with some awesome makeup on. And I look forward to painting with you Patreons again sometime.